IT professionals face relentless pressure in the rapidly changing IT world. Higher service demands, increasing cost pressures, new security risks. As demand explodes, there's an unforgiving need to ensure high availability and flexible growth.
IBM's Raleigh data center meets these needs with an instrumented, intelligent, and integrated design linking IT and the data center into a single management system. Availability is critical because downtime affects revenue.
We were able to meet high industry availability standards, but at an estimated 25% lower capital cost, because our electrical systems are optimized to provide reliable and cost-effective operations. Because we design cooling systems to balance our availability objectives with lower costs. Our chilled water storage and UPS-supported pumping maintains computer room air cooling if the power goes down.
Our equipment is configured so that we can perform maintenance or replace a module without disrupting operations. We have found new, unique ways to control energy consumption and costs. Because data centers represent 35% of IBM's energy cost, we know the critical need to control these costs. We've used best practices for high energy efficiency, creating savings that amount to $1.8 million US annually. These practices include free cooling from a waterside economizer, allowing us to use the outside temperature to cool the data center for 44% of the year. Variable speed controlled computer room air conditioners, pumps, and chillers allow us to provide cooling on demand, significantly reducing power consumption. High-efficiency UPS systems and efficient electrical distribution systems pay for themselves in less than 3 years.
Our data center has been designed for flexibility with a modular approach. That's because there are multi-million-dollar investments that have to last 20 to 30 years. But the technology or computing model inside them changes every 2 to 3 years.
Raleigh can scale up because we've designed it for flexibility and increase capacity when and where we need it. We can add UPS capacity, chillers, and electrical switching gear in a modular fashion, only when required, allowing us to defer up to 40% of the capital and operational cost until there's a demand.
We've already installed the necessary infrastructure capabilities, such as the pipes, which allows us to support future computer room air conditioners. It costs us 5 to 10% more now instead of 30% later to install them, eliminating potential disruptions to operations. And when the need for IT power density increases, we can support additional cooling requirements. The piping necessary to add water cooling is already in place, just waiting to be tapped into without disrupting operations. It allows us to support up to 32 kilowatts per rack, way above the industry average of 5.
Raleigh is designed to be energy efficient, highly available, and flexible, so can grow in a modular way when future demands require it.
Raleigh builds on our long experience of delivering innovative solutions for our clients and ourselves, moving from inspiration to integration.